implementation and timeline. So our onboarding is about 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks. Generally, what happens is I'll have a call with someone on Monday. We'll follow up again on Wednesday and they'll be like, I want to roll. And then we'll start the onboarding. I'll say, okay, let's schedule our onboarding call for this Friday. We'll take the entire next week getting ramped up. And then on the following Monday, we'll kick off. So week and a half, 2 weeks, depending. We only onboard one person generally at a time also. So sometimes there's a line and that's how it goes. And then sometimes we reach capacity and we aren't taking people in. So if we're up pressing 20, 21 people, then we just pause bringing people in. And that's happened sometimes. Ultimately, people churn for different reasons. Most of the time, they've bought too much property and they're in a cash crunch and they want to pause and get stuff sold. And when that happens, tough times. I don't like seeing people go, but that's a decent reason. But what's the point of this? How long does it take to get started? About 2 weeks. Like if you call me about 2 Mondays from now, we should be able to start pressing leads to you and have a big time system built with all your business systems, your CRM up and running, bunch of automations, a phone verified you can call and text from, and clean data, and us just pushing leads.